Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Mark from Dezignz again. This here's a brand spanking new Husqvarna 8.5 generator. It's going to get the gas conversion kit put on it. Brand spanking new. There's the box that I pulled it out from. So it all comes up looking like this. There's all your toys, niggly bits and everything like that. You even got tools for maintenance, everything like that. Your handlebar, your 3 plugs, the nuts and bolts, the foot pegs. So yeah, this is hasn't been run yet, hasn't been done anything to yet. So when I say it's a brand spanking new machine, I mean this is a brand spanking new machine. So as you can see, nothing's been done to it yet. So we're gonna have some fun with this one. This one is for a client in Verulam. So yeah, thank you guys.